Here's how to fix your Outlook if it's not sending emails. First, go to File, Account Info, and make sure that you're in Accounts. Hover over your account and click Manage. Here you can see a Remove button. Try clicking it to remove your account from Outlook and try logging in again to see if that works. If that does not work, maybe there's background programs running that are preventing you from sending your email. To fix that, go to the search bar and search for Services, and then click on it. It should pull up this window where you will look for two things: Google Updater Internal and Google Updater Service. Once we find these two, what we want to do is disable it so that it cannot run in the background and prevent you from sending your emails. To disable it, first right click it, go to Properties, and toggle it to Disabled and click OK. Do the same thing for the other one, Google Updater Services. Right click it, go to Properties, and toggle it to Disabled, and then click OK. This should be able to work. If it doesn't immediately, go to Task Manager and the task of Outlook and open it again. Yeah, so that's how you fix Outlook not sending emails.